How to import your Canvas calendar into Outlook. So I have a student on September 3rd who has registered for extra help. One way to see that is to go through Canvas. And there are advantages to continuing to go through Canvas, but a severe disadvantage is I want to have the calendar appointments or the fact that they exist on my phone, on my email, where I look more often at the calendar. Here's how to do that. So when viewing the calendar, click on Calendar Feed, copy this address. Now you need to log on to email through the web app. This does not work with Outlook for Mac. I haven't tested it with Outlook for Windows. Anyhow, log on to your email app. The link is available in the bulletin if you don't normally go here. And then I've gone to the calendar tab. Now what I want is to add a calendar, and I want to add a calendar from the web, and I want to paste that address in. Now I want to get fancy with it. Maybe I want to call this Canvas calendar. Maybe I want to pick a cute icon. Not really sure where this icon ever shows up. And where in the organization structure do you want this calendar to go? I don't know how this list is populated. I just pick my calendars. And import. And then when the screen resets, you're done. And you can actually now view the extra help items. I had picked green. Here's Canvas. I can toggle it on and off. Oops, where'd it go? Dude, that's weird. Where'd it go? Show all. Aha. Okay, anyhow, can toggle it on and off. Here's that extra help event on September 3rd. Unfortunately, what I lose is the ability to know who's registered for it, but played around a little more and discovered that even though there's a recurring calendar event for Tuesdays at that time, if nobody has signed up, it does not make its way over to this Outlook subscription, like here on September 10th. Here on the 3rd, this means its presence on this calendar means that at least one person has registered for it. I had better show up for extra help. This calendar is also visible in Outlook. Here, it has now shown up. It took a minute to show up on my calendars. There it is. There is that extra help item. And on the 10th, not visible. In case you're curious, these items are assignments that are on the calendar. Hope that's been helpful.